Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important procedure of the SSB, the lecturate part. It is the first confirmatory task of your GTO. It is a confirmation of the GD exercise that we have already done earlier. SSB के किसी भी प्रोसीजर में आपका एक confirmatory टास्क होगा जो पीछे उसके बेसिक टास्क को कंफर्म करेगा जो आपने एप्टीट्यूड को शो किया है. All the 15 qualities those have been shown in the basic test वो आपकी confirmatory में वापस से कंफर्म होना जरूरी है. Because until then, आपका recommendation is quite a far-fetched idea. So if we talk about the lecturate, it is a quite simple procedure. In this, let's talk about the procedure first. In this, you will have to pick up the card first. Stack of cards रहेगा GTO के पास. You will be sitting in a semicircle. One by one, you will have to get up and pick up one of the card, the topmost card. In that card, you will find 4 topics. Usually, the first topic is above average level topic. Second and third topic is average level topic, and the fourth topic is below average. But sometimes in few SSBs उस टॉपिक को जंबल वर्ड भी कर दिया जा रहा है. तो doesn't matter कि किस सीक्वेंस में है, लेकिन टॉपिक पढ़ने के बाद आपको अंदाजा लग जाएगा. Above average level topic मतलब आपके international relations, international organization, such kind of topics will be there. Average level topic means the corruption, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, जिसके बारे में थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज आपके पास ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है. बिलो एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक मींस माय फेवरेट बुक, माय हॉबी, माय फेवरेट टीचर, जिसके बारे में किसी के पास भी एटलीस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन डेफिनेटली होगी. सो इट डजंट मैटर व्हिच टॉपिक डू यू चूज. हाँ, ये आपको यूजुअली रिकमेंड किया जाता है दैट चूज द फर्स्ट लेवल टॉपिक बिकॉज आपका नॉलेज फैक्टर शो होगा और उस पर बोलना थोड़ा आसान है. Because you will have adequate amount of information, so it is easy to continue for the whole 3 minutes. But if we talk about the fourth level topic, my favorite teacher, although आपको बारे में उसके काफी पता है, but still it is not quite possible to speak entirely for the 3 minutes continuously. But the selection of topic doesn't really matter. Because I myself chose the third level topic, I still got clearly recommended. So third level का टॉपिक चूज करने के बाद भी आपका रिकमेंडेशन इजीली हो सकता है. You must be very careful with the choice because the content that you deliver doesn't really matter as compared to the delivery of that actual matter. आपका power of expression कैसा है, the self confidence level, the ability to influence the group, ये सारी आपकी qualities चेक होंगी आपकी डिलीवरी से, not with the content itself. If we talk about the power of expression, as I've already told you, it can be divided into 2 parts, the verbal part and the non-verbal part of communication. The verbal parts means the words that I'm speaking right now. They mean only 7% of the entire communication. And if we talk about the non-verbal part, that means the voice that I'm using right now and the body language that I'm carrying. They comprise of the 93% of any communication. Among which 38% goes for the voice quality and 55% goes for the body language. So in the entire SSB procedure जहाँ पे आपको communication करना है, made with the personal interview, made with the group discussion, made with the lecturate, made with the GP, जहाँ पे भी आपको communication करना है, you have to really keep in mind the body language and the voice quality of your entire personality. In the lecturate, the procedure will be simple. You will have to get up, pick up the topmost card, then 3 minutes will be given to you to prepare for that topic. After 3 minutes, the GTO will ring double bell. You will come back to the in front of the group. फिर आपको lecture को deliver करना है. The body posture will be quite normal of the standard ease posture. Your hands will be resting on the back. Your body will be straight. You will have to maintain the eye contact with the group only. Do not look at the assessor. Look only at the group members. Maintain proper eye contact with them. Keep a 10% smile on your face. It will be cheerfulness because आपके smile रहते ही आपकी voice में थोड़ा enthusiasm बढ़ जाता है. Procedure will be जो सामने आके बोल रहा है, the timer will start. After 2 minutes 30 seconds, the GTO will ring a single bell like this. This will be indication for the person who is standing here कि आपके 30 seconds ही बचे हैं. You have to come to a conclusion of your speech. सिंगल बेल का मतलब एक और होगा, जो नेक्स्ट इंसान है उसको आना है, कार्ड लेके थोड़ा दूर जाना है, और जो ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर कर रहा है उसको वापस आके पीछे खड़े हो जाना है. आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द 3 minutes, the GTO will ring double bell. इसका मतलब होगा द पर्सन हु इज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, ही विल स्टॉप डिलीवरिंग लेक्चरेट, वो जाके अपनी पोजीशन में बैठ जाएगा, और जो पीछे वेट कर रहा था वो अपना लेक्चरेट स्टार्ट कर देगा. Then again after 2 minutes 30 seconds, the GTO will ring a single bell. It will be indication for the person standing in front of them that only 30 seconds are left. So he has to come to a common conclusion, the conclusion of his speech. उसके बाद वाले को उठ के आना है, चेस्ट नंबर अपना कार्ड लेके थोड़े दूर पे जाना है, जो ऑलरेडी दूर पे उसको वापस आके पीछे खड़े हो जाना है. And the process will repeat again and again till the last chest number. Is it clear? Now if we talk about the latest topic जो recently use हो रहे हैं in the SSB centers, उनके बारे में कुछ list है. I will provide you a printed format of this, so just look at this for right now. The first topic is Semicon Indian Conference. Second is Maharashtra Gene Bank Project, Gagan Satellite Technology, Digital India RISC, Quad Hydroelectric Project, Pali Elon Musk Twitter deal, CIPRI raising dialogue, and this Swati weapon locating radars. Now these are the few topics which are very important related to your lecturate as well as for your GD. इन सारे टॉपिक्स को आपको कवर करना है, या भी नाम देख लो, प्लस आपकी जो इवनिंग की 4 to 5 क्लास चल रही करंट अफेयर्स की. In that current affairs class, most of this topic will be covered. बाकी रेस्ट के लिए you can ask for the printed material that will be provided to you. Few other topics will be the new MNS exam pattern, the Agniveer scheme, economic crisis in Sri Lanka. This is very important topic, economic crisis in Sri Lanka, because not just for the lecturate, not just for the GD portion, but also for the interview. It has been seen जो prominent issues रहते हैं international affairs के, वो definitely आपसे deep में पूछे जाते हैं, जो खास तौर पे वो जिसका इंडिया पे impact पड़ रहा है. Not just the current scenario, but what is the outcome that you derive from that news. तो आपके analysis को वहाँ पे खास तौर पे check किया जाएगा. Next is the post-COVID world. United Nations still relevant because of the case of the Russia and Ukraine and various other issues. वहाँ पे UN का जो participation होना चाहिए था, जितना expected था, उससे काफी कम रहा है. Especially the Afghanistan issue as well. Then comes, should Bihar be given a special category status? Criminalization of politics. Should military training be made compulsory for India? Now this topic, this was my topic that I chose for my lecturate, the third level topic. Should military training be made compulsory in India? So these are the topics जो काफी important है, simple है, अगर आपको basic understanding है तो. Divyanshi Priya, go for the interview. Then comes the universal basic income. Can women be in combat roles? Why is India one of the biggest defense equipment importer? How can Indo-Pak relation be improved? ये usually आपके Indo-Pak या तो lecturate के first topic में रहेगा, या फिर आपके GD का काफी most popular topic माना जा सकता है. Now these were the few important topics जो आपके लिए जरूरी हैं for the lecturate. Now if we talk about how to deliver a proper lecturate, the first thing that I have told you regarding the power of expression. Your body language has been quite normal. This will be the body posture, standardized posture. Your shoulder will be rolled back, chest will be up. Maintain proper eye contact with the group members. Now, one of the easiest thing, the hack that I used was to how to control my voice. So whenever I talk in the fast mode, fast pace, I usually stammer a lot. So what I did was I got a sweet spot of my tone. Like if I speak in this way, थोड़ा सा pause लेके with a proper ठहराव जिसको कहते हैं हिंदी में. The फायदा इसका आपको ये होगा that whenever you take a pause, the power of the silence is very much important for your selection in the interview, in the GD as well as in the lecturate. If you take a proper pauses in between, इससे फायदा ये होगा कि आपका full stop कहाँ आ रहा है, comma कहाँ आ रहा है, at least ये पता रहेगा. The importance of that is a lot because English is quite a funny language. अगर आप एक comma भी हटा दोगे तो पूरे word का sentence का meaning काफी change हो जाता है. Second thing related to your hand movement and hand gestures. Some people say कि आपके हाथ हमेशा पीछे रहने चाहिए. It is good, but if you want to emphasize on any certain words, then थोड़ा सा dynamism आपको show करना पड़ेगा अपनी personality में. Like if you want to say that we should come together, India should move forward, तो इसमें आपकी बातों को थोड़ा emphasis ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. Unnecessary hand gesture नहीं करना, but if you want to emphasize on any certain words, definitely make certain hand gesture. वो आपकी power of expression को थोड़ा सा बढ़ाएगा. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके हाथ पीछे ही रहें. If you are comfortable in this way, it is also okay. There is no formal procedure, but hands on the back इसलिए कहा जाता है because it is a neutral position, it is a more open position, तो आपकी confidence को ज़्यादा show करेगा. और सबसे comfortable position भी है. You can stand in this way for entire day. Is it clear? Second important thing, that how to form a proper procedure of the whole lecture in 3 minutes. Because it is not quite possible for anyone to prepare a 3-minute lecture in the entire 3 minutes. उसके लिए आपको कम से कम 1 घंटे का time लगेगा in the proper way. So what you have to do is to choose a topic which you are most comfortable with. 3 मिनट में आपको सिर्फ पहले 1 मिनट में do proper brainstorming. जितने ideas आपके दिमाग में सारे को सबको सामने लेके आओ. Next 2 minutes you have to spend entirely on the organization. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दीज थॉट्स। 3 पार्ट होंगे आपके लेक्चरेट के। डिवाइड द लेक्चर इनटू 3 पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट 30 सेकंड फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन। इंट्रोडक्शन में जो भी टॉपिक आपको मिला है उसके बारे में बस डिफाइन करो, जस्ट द प्लेन डेफिनेशन फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक। नेक्स्ट द 2-minute part for your body part of the lecturate. In that body part you have to tackle with the important questions like what, when, where, how. सारे जितने बेसिक क्वेश्चन उनको आप बुलेट पॉइंट्स में याद रख लो। Then last 30 second will be the conclusion part. उसको आपको प्रिपेयर नहीं करना है। That will just automatically come from you कि आपका खुद का point of view क्या है, what do you think, what is the way forward from this. Solution आप क्या प्रोवाइड करोगे या गवर्नमेंट जो कर रही है उसमें क्या चेंजेस लाने की जरूरत है, या आपका खुद का ओपिनियन है, you need not to think about that. जो मेजर पोर्शन बीच का बॉडी पार्ट है, द 2-minute पोर्शन, इसमें सारे मेजर क्वेश्चंस आपके हैं, व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, हाउ। उसके बुलेट पॉइंट्स वगैरह को आपको प्रॉपर्ली ऑर्गेनाइज करना है द सेम ऑर्डर, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट इलैबोरेट। Now focus on the word elaboration because you only have to communicate with someone else. अगर आप चीजों को याद करके बोलने की कोशिश करोगे, definitely आपका stammering होगा. There's no denying in that. But once you start communicating with someone, there's very few chances कि अगर आपका communication skill बेहतर है, तो आपका lecturate भी अच्छा ही जाएगा. Just elaborate the topic. अगर आप topic next वाला भूल गए, just beat around the bush. Like just what I did in my time. My topic was should military training be made compulsory in India. I didn't have much information about that, but still I chose because मेरे बाकी के 2 टॉपिक के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं पता था. Indo-Russia was one of the topic and one was MPT. So most comfortable topic was should military training be made compulsory in India. What I did was I gave just basic introduction in the first 30 second. Then for 1 minute, what I did was I speak about some compulsory military training. Then for the last 1 minute 30 second, what I did was I talked about my NCC because that was my strong point. Now NCC is also kind of military training. So just what I did was I tied those things and मैंने अपना lecture deliver किया. So one of the best hack that you can do जिसकी SSB पास में आ रही है उनके लिए, जिनके पास नहीं है that they have to read a lot. जिनके SSB पास में है, जिनके पास टाइम नहीं है कोई ज्यादा पढ़ सके टॉपिक्स को, prepare some umbrella topics. Umbrella topics what I did was कि जो बेसिक टॉपिक्स होते हैं, जो बेसिक जनरेशन में सारी चीजों से रिलेट हो जाएंगे. करप्शन हो गया, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट हो गया, डिफेंस की अभी स्ट्रेटेजी क्या, और इंडिया के सारे नेशन से कैसा आपके रिलेशन है. नॉट विद स्पेसिफिक रिलेशंस और विद नेशन, बट जनरल आइडिया इंडिया का क्या रहता है, लाइक वसुधैव कुटुंबकम का हमारा आइडिया क्या है, उसको आप रिलेट कर दो किसी भी चीजों से, फिर आपका आराम से कंटेंट की आपके पास कमी नहीं आएगी. And always remember that you only have to communicate with someone else. आपको यहाँ पे लेक्चर डिलीवर नहीं करना है. The voice dynamism, the power of expression has to be kept in mind. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this? नहीं है?